Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the automotive world, the MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner. If you're looking to restore your car's performance and pass emissions tests without breaking the bank, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. The MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner is not just another fuel additive. It's designed to effectively clean and protect your catalytic converter, helping to eliminate pesky engine codes like P0420 and P0430, all without the need for expensive replacements. This makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's efficiency and reduce emissions. It targets and cleans the catalytic converter material, restoring its function and efficiency. No need to disassemble anything, simply pour it into your fuel tank during a regular fill-up. Made with materials that are safe for both your car and the environment. Wondering how it works its magic? MotorPower's formula works through your vehicle's fuel system, cleaning as it goes. By removing carbon deposits and other contaminants, it helps optimize the converter's performance, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're dealing with sluggish performance or failing emissions tests, this cleaner can be a game changer. Just pour it in, drive as usual, and let it do its job. It's a cost-effective alternative to costly repairs or replacements, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars in maintenance costs. So, if you're looking to revitalize your car's catalytic converter and ensure it operates at its best, look no further than the MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner. It's affordable, easy to use, and environmentally friendly, a trifecta that's hard to beat in the world of automotive maintenance. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, drive safe and stay tuned for the next episode.